welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing this look. If you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of my new videos. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to go ahead and start with priming my face, and for that I'm going to use this Tatcha silk canvas. I'm going to take some of this primer on my fingers and apply it all over my face. After priming my face, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and I'm going to go into the warm coral shade. And as usual, using a Morphe 173, I'm going to apply this under my eyes and around my mouth area. Once I'm done color correcting, I'm going to take my longwear foundation from Laura Mercier, and I'm in the shade Suntan. In my foundation, I'm also going to mix in this illuminating drops from Urban Decay. So I've got a couple of drops of my foundation on my palette, and I'm going to just add in 2 drops of it. And using my finger, I'm going to mix the 2 together. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation using a damp beauty blender. Once the foundation is all blended out, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and this is in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to go ahead and contour. I do have a full video dedicated to just how to contour and highlight. If you want to see it, I will link it up here. And using this Real Techniques sculpting brush, I'm going to go ahead and buff it out. For my highlighting today, I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Medium Honey. I'm going to take this in my usual areas. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. For setting under my eyes, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just going to take this on my beauty blender and press it in. Next, I'm going to take the soft light powder from Becca and I'm going to dust it all over my face. I'm going to take my Max Fix Plus, and this is in the shade Gold Light, and I'm going to spray it on my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to take this all over my face. I love doing this because it takes the powdery effect away from my face and it makes it look like my skin again. For my bronzer today, I'm going to go into this Omega bronzer from Marc Jacobs. I'm going to apply this using a Sony Kashuk angled brush, and I'm going to take this in the areas wherever we have contoured. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using this Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the shade Ebony. I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes, and for that I'm going to use this Huda Beauty's new Nude palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Teddy, and using a Morphe 504, I'm going to take this in my crease. And I'm going to take some of this shade under my eyes as well. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Raw, and using a Morphe 503, I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And I'm going to take it all the way to the crease and blend the 2 together. I'm going to grab Morphe 504 one more time and blend everything together. Then I'm going to take this Huda's Melted Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Shimmering Sunset. And I'm just going to take this in the middle. And then just using my finger, I'm going to blend the 2 together at the end. And then from same palette, I'm going to go into the shade Crave, and using my finger, I'm just going to dab it in the middle, just right on top of that shade. And taking that Morphe 503, I'm going to go back into Raw and just take it around the edge one more time, just to deepen it up a little bit more. For my blush today, I'm going to go into this Dual Intensity blush from NARS, and this is in the shade Adoration. For my highlighter today, I'm going to go into this Melly Cosmetics Stardust. Using a Morphe 501, I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'll take this on my brow bone as well. I'll also take this highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm using a Sony Kashuk brush. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using this Urban Decay All Nighter. And I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender and press the products in. Going to line my lips using this LA Girl lip liner, and this is in the shade Peach. For my lips today, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncuffed. For my mascara today, I'm going to use this NARS Climax mascara. And here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Ciao.